Welcome, dear Dinka learners. Let us learn names of crops, fruits, and wild roots in Dinka language. Please share the video to your loved one so that we learn Dinka language together. 1. Dura. In Dinka is called rap. Rap. 2. Millet. Awow. Awow. Maize. Abow. Abow. Simsim. Nyom. Nyom or nyum. Groundnuts. Atom. Atom. Mugwak. Mugwak. Cucumber. Cualquier. Cualquier is cucumber. Mango. Manga. 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 Tamarind. Chuey. Chuey. Tamarind fruits. Mit chuey. Mit chuey. Calabash. Quad. Quad. Okra. Guam. Guam. Pumpkin. Amutum. Amutum. Or you also call it abudo. 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 Big weeds. Malwal awai. Malwal awai. Malwal awai is called pigweeds. Wandering Jews. Wandering Jews is manioc. 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 You also call it anyok. It is like wheat. It is wheat. It grows in the palm or in your garden. Coconut fruit. Tuk. Tuk. Lalop. Tau. Tau. Tomato. Tomatum. Tomatum. Tomato, we call it tomatum. Pepper. Pepe. Pepe means chodo. Chodo. Bean. Bean. Aquam. Aquam. Plural is aquam. Lentils. Lentils. Adash. Adash or adas. Tobacco. Tobacco. Tobacco mean tap. Tap. Tabawai. Water lily fruit. Water lily fruit is called abet K. Abet K. This one grow in the water. It's called abet K. Lulu tree. Lulu tree is rak. Rak tim rak. Lulu fruits mit rak. Mit rak. Watermelon. Watermelon. This one is watermelon. It's called abaltek. 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 Onion. Onion. How do you call onion in Dinka language? Write it for me. Bargo. Bargo. How do you call bargo in English? Write it for me. Bombay. Bombay. How do you call Bombay in English? Write it for me. Yenakan Dain by William Jack Malekdeng and Pure Tongjang or Tongjang. Please follow this channel, share the video so that this page can have a lot of followers. Subscribe to our YouTube. The name of our YouTube is called Dinka English TV5. Please go there and subscribe. It is very important for us. Okay? This is the end. Enakat. Bye-bye. Dornyali kawik. Kuyania. Ugaban yok. Please share the video. Share the video. This is the only way you can help me. Share the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's the only way you help me. If you subscribe, it encourage me to do more videos. That's the only way you can help my channel to grow. Okay, bye bye.